happy Sunday everyone. For today's video guys, this is my outfit for today. Ayan, a yellow dress guys. Ito yung nabili ko sa mall for only 350 pesos. I really love it. Ayan, one of my favorite color guys, a yellow color. And then guys, ayan, so today is Sunday. Ayan, nalabas ako guys. So I need to put a makeup, a little makeup guys. Ayan, put a lipstick. Ayan, put a lipstick guys. So, ayan, hanapin ko muna yung aking lipstick inside my bag. Inside my bag guys, the lipstick. Ayan. Here guys, ayan. I have a two color of lipstick here. So, I will use the, ano guys, the maroon color, the matte color. Ayan. I buy this yesterday guys. I really love it. I really love the color guys. Ayan, it's a, ayan. Ayan, the color is, ayan, a maroon color. Turn of my ponytail because I love maroon color. Yan. Yan. So I really love it. And then I have a eyeshadow here, guys. A new eyeshadow. So I wanna try this. Wanna try to use this, guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, ito yung aking mga sample ano. Ayan, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit so guys, ayan oh. So I wanna try this one. Ayan, very light color lang siya guys. Ayan oh. I really love the color. Ayan. Maglalagay lang tayo ng small amount. Small amount lang siya guys. Ayan, so that's it. That's it, guys. Diba? A little eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. And then, ayan. And then this one, guys, another lipstick of mine. Pwede siyang gawing blush on. So, maglagay ako a little amount on my, here. Ayan, maglalagay ako, guys. Ayan, gagawin ko siyang blush on. Ayan, para siyang pink color, guys. Ang ganda nito. Ayan. A small amount lang guys. Ayan. Para may blush on lang tayo. Tap on my face. A little amount. Ayan. A little amount of ano. Ayan. Ito yung kagandahan tong lipstick na to guys. Kasi 2-in-1 siya. Ayan. 2-in-1. Pwede siyang gawing blush on. And then lipstick. So, ayan, so this is my simple beauty guys. Simple putting of makeup. Ayan, a little amount of lipstick. And then a little amount of blush on. I really love it. Ayan, so that's it. I'm finished guys. I'm ready to go. Ayan, because today is Sunday. So, kailangan kong magsimba. Go outside. Ayan. To ano guys. Going to church. Ayan. Magsisimba. Ayan. So, ayan. I feel so beautiful na naman, guys. I feel so beautiful today. A simple outfit. Ayan. One of my favorite, guys, color. The yellow color. I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack siya, guys. So, ayan. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy my videos, guys. Ayan. I really love my outfit for today, guys. I really love it. I'm so happy of this. So, bye for now.